Hi guys, welcome to DIYYolande. As you've read from the title, this is a vlog. So I'm going to have breakfast with my fellow Durban creator Ukuku, Mazibuko. You guys will see her. I'm sure you'll probably know her actually. And yeah, spend the day with me. Actually, I think you're actually going to spend the weekend with me because we might also be doing something interesting later today and tomorrow. We'll see. So yeah, let's go to Duka restaurant here in Durban on Florida Road. refilled is normally cheaper than actually buying your spices in the glass jar. If you're following me on this channel, you know that my teas open a lot of things. So yeah. These, what it is. So what you gonna do? I got this Lazy Susan from Galma. I spoke about it a countless of times on my Instagram. So how much was it? I forgot how much it was, but it was very affordable. If I bought it, you must know it was affordable. And she's amazing. I bought it, I think it's over a year now. Yeah, I think it's over a year that I've had her. She's amazing. And a great tip is that you can even use your Lazy Susan inside your fridge for storage and for neatness in your fridge, depending on how big your fridge is. I have an old school fridge, so at the moment this baby, it doesn't fit in it. So if LG wants to sponsor me and give me a new fridge. Washed this, obviously, as you can see it's clean. And also my olive oil. This is the basil olive oil. I've never bought this one before. I normally buy the other brand. I'm going to be trying this one out. Let's see how they goes. I'm going to go and shower now, and then I'll see you when I'm done showering.